Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Gagan. So today in this video we're gonna play a game on animals. So hope you all are ready. So let's get started. Part 1. Which one is the cow? Come on, guess. Yes, you are right. Next, which one is the duck? A, B or C? Come on. Yes, nice. Which one is the dog? Come on. Well done. Very nice. Which one is the elephant? Great job. Very good. Which one is the cat? Excellent. Which one is the frog? A, B or C? Very good. That's wonderful. Part 2. Choose a correct letter. So are you ready? Choose a correct letter. Which animal is this? Come on, guess the correct letter. Yes, this is a pig. Very good. Come on, B-E-R. Bear. Very nice. Keep it up. Good going. Which animal is this? Come on, very good. Yes, you are right. This is a lion. Come on, guess the animal. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, great. Fox. Very good. Come on, which animal is this? Choose the correct letter. Yes, P. And this is a hippo. Hippo. Come on, guess the animal and choose the correct letter. P-A-D-A. And very good. Very nice. Congratulations. Very good. You did a great job. Bye-bye.